Hello, my dear learners. Welcome back again. I missed you a lot. Today we're going to practice blending sounds. You know, practicing is very important to master any skill. In everything in your life, if you want to master swimming, you have to practice. If you want to master reading, you have to try to read. If you want to master anything, you have to practice. Let's start together. Practicing blending sounds for, yes, as you guessed, it's CVC words. Let's review what did we blend before. We had blend at, also an, also ed. So we had blended these three sounds and we are gonna practice some words and some few sentences using them. Let's start together. Let's try to read. Yes, I know it's a flower, but which color is it? Red. Yes, it's red. Red. Hat. Man. Now, let's try to read a sentence and form it too. I like that. What do you see? Yes, it's a cute cat with green eyes. So, I like that cat. Now, I see a, yes, as you said, hat. How about this picture? Yes, it's van. The red van, or the van is red. Both of them are right. Oh, look at this cat. It's so fat. So, it is a fat cat. It seems that she ate a lot. Your homework today, I want you to try to form some words, CVC words, using these few letters. I have K, M, N, A, T, H. Let's try to form some words using these letters. I'm gonna try the first one for you. It's so sunny outside, so I would like to form the word hat, so I can use it while I'm going outside. Now it's your turn. Which words you could form?